Hi friends, welcome to problem 9 here. I'm sure that you guys might be a little frustrated coming to this video because this is kind of a tricky question. And I was even confused for a little bit here, but I figured it out and hopefully I can help you find the right answer too. So let's read the directions here. Mike drew this figure without using a protractor, so I'm going to underline that, without using a protractor. Find the sum. The sum. What does sum mean? It means the total, adding them up. The sum of FJK, so FJK, KJH, KJH, and HJG, HJG. So all of these, find the sum of all of those. Alright, what do I always tell you guys when we're looking at a problem like this? Start with what you know. What do we know that all the way around a circle, all the way around one point is that makes a little circle like that? Well, we know it's 360 degrees. Is there anything else that we know about this problem? Hopefully you can tell me that angle J is 90 degrees. That's what that little box tells us. So I'm going to subtract that, because if I subtract that, I'll know what these all add up to. So 360 take away 90 degrees gives us, maybe you don't even have to do the math. If you have to do the math, go ahead, do it on the side. But it's one of those big benchmark angles. We go 90, 180, something, 360. I think you guys will know it. It's 270 degrees. So the sum of these angles is this, 270. So I'm just going to write angle FJK plus KJH, angle KJH, plus angle HJG equals 270 degrees. All right, there's another point, part of this question. So hopefully you did this. If you didn't do 9A, pause the video and do it really quick and then come back and check it. All right, 9A. Points F, J, and H lie on a line. Lie on a line. So this is the line right here. What is the measure of angle KJH? So I'm going to find that and highlight it. What's the angle of, what is the measure of angle KJH? KJH, this one right here. And FJK measures 40 degrees. So this one right here, FJK measures 40 degrees. I'm going to write that in. Write an equation that can be used to determine the measure of KJH. Oh, that is a lot of words, but we can figure it out because we know a few things, and we always start with what we know. So what do we know about this line? How many degrees is it? 180. And if I know part of it, all I have to do is subtract, right? So all I have to do is 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. And that will give me my answer for angle KJH, which is equals 140 degrees. So KJH, angle KJH, equals 140 degrees. But I also have to answer the second part of the question. Write an equation that can be used to determine the measure of angle KJH. So my equation would be, 40 degrees plus angle KJH equals what? It's the opposite of subtraction, so it's addition. So it should give us 180 degrees. All right, if you did yours in a different order or a little bit differently than mine, that's okay as long as you end up with the same answers as me. All right, great job.